A classic comfort potato cheese balls. Potato cheese balls are the ultimate comfort food. They're crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. Who doesn't love potatoes and cheese? They're even better when combined. Imagine biting into a golden brown sphere. The outside is perfectly crisp. The inside is warm and filled with melted cheese. Pure comfort. These little bites are perfect as an appetizer. They're also great as a snack or even a light lunch. Serve them with a simple salad for a complete meal. You really can't go wrong with potato cheese balls. They're always a crowd pleaser. Creating the perfect bite ingredients and how to. Let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 pounds of russet potatoes peeled and quartered, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, beaten salt and pepper to your taste, and vegetable oil for frying. First, boil the potatoes until they are tender. Drain them well, then mash them until smooth. Stir in the cheese, flour, eggs, salt, and pepper. Mix well to combine all of the ingredients. Next, shape the mixture into small balls, about 1 inch in diameter. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the potato balls in the hot oil, working in batches so as not to crowd the pan. Fry them until they are golden brown and crispy, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Remove them with a slotted spoon. Drain them on paper towels. A refreshing counterpoint, simple side salad. While the potato cheese balls are cooking, prepare a simple salad. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of mixed greens, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, halved, and a 1/4 cup of sliced red onion. Drizzle with your favorite vinaigrette. Toss gently to combine. Tips for success, cheese selection, and more. Feel free to experiment with different types of cheese. Gruyere, fontina, or even pepper jack would be delicious. For a fun variation, try adding cooked bacon or chopped chives to the potato mixture. To make ahead, prepare the potato mixture up to 2 days in advance. Store it in the refrigerator. When ready to serve, shape the mixture into balls and fry as directed. For a lighter option, bake the potato balls in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Serve the potato cheese balls immediately with the simple salad for a satisfying and complete meal. Enjoy!